Welcome back, English 1 students, to your Awod, or academic word of the day. And for today's word, we got trace. Trace has only one syllable, trace. And it's pronounced trace. Trace. In Spanish, is rastrear. We're using this word as a verb. Let's go over the first definition. Trace means to find or discover somebody or something by looking carefully for them. Let's look at the example. When you lose something, it is always good to trace your steps back to help you find what you lost. So how many of us haven't been in this situation, right? That you lose your keys, you lose your wallet, you lose your chopstick, whatever it is that you're looking for, right, that you lost. So you stop and start to think about what you did that day before you lost, or you realize that you lost the item. So you trace your step back, right? You look back. You start tracing the places that you went before, what you did before. So you start looking for something. You start to find, you start to look very careful for that item that you lost. You trace your steps back before you lost the item. Second definition of trace is to find the origin or cause of something. A paragraph must have detail that trace back and have a connection to the main idea. So when you're writing, it is important to have a main idea in your every paragraph and in your essay in general, your thesis statement. Everything else, every other detail that you write in your paragraph has to come from the main idea. The main idea is the origin of those details that you write in your paragraph. So when you read through your paragraph and you look at those details, you can trace them back to the main idea. The main idea is where those details or ideas come from. That's why you're writing what you're writing, all the evidence that you're giving, because you have a central or general idea of what you are talking about. Let's go over the familiar words. We got several familiar words here. First one is traceable, used as an adjective. Tracing, as an adjective. Traced, also used as an adjective. And trace as a noun. Synonyms, we got some synonyms. Here's mark, print, shadow. Antonyms, whole or brightness. Alright, English 1 students, this has been your word of the day. Finish your flashcards, write your original sentence, and include a visual to strengthen that understanding. And happy studies!